Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you a clever way to create your own fertilizer naturally. So what you need is just some bottles like this. You cut open the lid and poke some holes in it like this, and then you stuff them in the ground next to your tree or plants. You fill them up with some leftovers and then it will degrade itself into compost. It's a very easy way to do this, and I'm going to show you some examples right now. So here we have our nectarine tree, and we have a bucket here, and you see there are some greens in here. Up next we have the peach tree, nice peaches, and also a bucket. See what's in it. So this has degraded a little bit. Can put some weight on it so that the flies don't get out of it. Let's take a look at the pear tree. This has not degraded yet. Let's take a look at the walnut tree. Yeah, this looks pretty gross already. Then the apple trees. So this is a good example of completely degraded material, and in about a week this will be almost empty, so it degrades very fast. So the tree will absorb this really fast. So you need to keep adding material. Then we have the very nice berries. You can see the flies coming out. This has not degraded yet. And the figs. Look at those critters. So those critters will degrade the material, so they are very useful. So I think you get the idea. Try this yourself and you will never have to throw away anything. Just throw it in the garden and everything will resolve itself. Bye.